Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to make a useful do-it-yourself project from a broken LED bulb. We disassemble the bulb using a spatula or a flat screwdriver. We won't need the board with the LEDs, we only need the housing. Using a hacksaw you need to cut off the base. Next, use a caliper to measure the inner diameter of the housing. Then take a piece of fiberglass mounting board and cut out a circle according to the measurements. Now place the LEDs on the cutout board and solder them parallel to each other. Solder wires to the positive and negative terminals of the LED. Now this board needs to be mounted into the light bulb housing. Apply glue, then insert the bulb. Next we need a small piece of 32 mm sewer pipe. You need to drill a 6 mm hole in it. Then take the motor with the gearbox and insert it into the pipe so that the shaft comes out through the hole. The motor needs to be fixed in place using hot glue. Also apply glue inside the pipe and insert the bulb there. The bulb fits tightly and should hold well. Next, you'll need a plastic bottle from which you need to cut off the neck. Apply glue to the neck and then insert it from the back side of the pipe. Now connect the wires from the LEDs to the wires from the motor. Solder carefully and insulate with heat shrink tubing. Hide the wires inside and screw the lid on. That's all for now. Next, we'll need a piece of threaded rod and a pen cap. Place the rod in a vise and bend it as shown in the video. Here's what it should look like. Then, drill a hole in the cap matching the rod's diameter. Place the cap on the rod and add baking soda. Pack everything tightly and add some super glue. On the other side of the rod, put on a heat shrink tube and heat it with a hairdryer. After heating, put a small piece of plastic tube on the rod and screw on the nut. To secure the nut, add a little bit of super glue. Place the cap with the rod on the motor shaft. Your homemade device is now complete. As you can see, this turned out to be a flashlight that doesn't need batteries to work. You just turn the handle and the motor generates energy. The flashlight shines great and I'm satisfied with this homemade project. If you also like this idea, give this video a like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Thank you all for watching and goodbye everyone.